Hi, I'm Roger. Welcome back to the Tractor Tech YouTube channel. This is going to be the first attempted start of the Massey Ferguson 135 project tractor. I already checked the engine oil, the coolant, and the hydraulic fluid, and they all were good. The gas tank on the tractor was empty when we got it, so I put about 1.5 gallons or 2 gallons of gas in it. I also charged the battery on a 26 amp smart charger. It took it about 1.5 days for the battery to fully charge. So I'm going to go over and turn the gas on and try to start it now. I wanted to show that the tractor had a new gas tank in it, and it was empty when we got the tractor, so all I had to do was just put fresh gas in it. Alright, so the tractor's running now. Didn't take any work to get it running, but it's not running exactly right. The choke has to be about half out for it to stay running, so we're going to try adjusting the carburetor on it now and see what that does. But the carburetor may have to come off and be cleaned. I was also watching the gauges when I started it up. It's carrying good oil pressure, but it looks like it's not charging. So we're going to have to check into the charging system too. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like button. Subscribe for more videos on this tractor. I'm going to be posting more videos as we make progress on it.